Difference between isnumeric and isdecimal in Python. What is the difference between isnumeric and isdecimal functions for strings? This URL. They seem to give identical results. I expected isdecimal to return true for 123.456, but it does not.
The two methods test for specific Unicode character classes. If all characters in the string are from the specified character class, have the specific Unicode property, the test is true. Isdecimal does not test if a string is a decimal number. See the documentation. Return true if all characters in the string are decimal characters and there is at least one character, false otherwise. Decimal characters are those that can be used to form numbers in base 10, for example U plus 0660, Arabic indic digit 0. Formally, a decimal character is a character in the Unicode general category ND. The dot period character is not a member of the ND category. It is not a decimal character. str.isdecimal characters are a subset of str.isnumeric. This tests for all numeric characters. Again, from the documentation. Return true if all characters in the string are numeric characters, and there is at least one character, false otherwise. Numeric characters include digit characters, and all characters that have the Unicode numeric value property, for example U plus 2155, vulgar fraction 1/5. Formally, numeric characters are those with the property value numeric underscore type equals digit, numeric underscore type equals decimal, or numeric underscore type equals numeric. ND is numeric underscore type equals digit here. If you want to test if a string is a valid decimal number, just try to convert it to a float.
There are many more numeric characters than decimal ones.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.